Right a rose now, everyone knows that I am hoping you're the same. So here is my love song, not fancy or fine. Like a rose, don't you hear? My
folks, you're gonna love this song. It's an old country western tune. It's called "You Can Lead a Horse to Water, but a Pencil Must Be Lead."
It must be. Alright. You like that one, did you? Okay, you're gonna love this one. Let's do some heavy metal. Alright, come on up. You're gonna join us. Let's try Can Can. Hey! What? You've been here before. When the Dapper dads say hey, all of you say what? Let's try it again. Hey!
What?
Why does Snow White fall into the wishing well?
Why?
She didn't see that well. Thank you.
Hey!
What?
What does Ariel use to wash her fin?
What?
Tide.
Hey!
What?
Where does Buzz Lightyear love to shop?
Where?
At Bath and Beyond.
Hey!
What?
What's Captain Hook's favorite breakup line?
What?
It's not you. It's me.
When
Irish eyes are smiling, mustard is like a morning spring. Fill of Irish laughter, you can hear the angels sing. Oh,
Hey!
what?
Why did Cinderella get kicked off the soccer team?
Why?
She kept running away from the ball! When